I can't tell you how many times somebody has sent me a list of information and they put it in Word. It drives me crazy. I can't do anything with it. Yes, I am an Excel girl. I'm Tina Pomgren, your sassy efficiency expert with Excelling Your Business. And I want to talk to you today a little bit about Excel tables and why you want to use your lists in Excel instead of Word. Because we can manipulate them, we can sort them, we can do all kinds of different information with them. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you why you want to do your information in Excel for a couple of different reasons. All right, we're looking at a spreadsheet here, and this is my golf league that I golf on Monday nights, and we played last night. This is all up to date, so I'm just going to change my date. And now I need to resort my information. I've got some that are no longer in order, and I'm going to highlight this information. I could do all of them, doesn't matter. And I'm going to go to sort and filter, but I'm going to do a custom sort. So this allows me to pick and choose what I want to sort, and I've already got this set up. So it's sorting by the points, and it's going largest to smallest. I'm going to hit OK, and that just quickly changed and updated my information. I'm actually not doing really well. We're in rank number 10, but we're having fun, and that's what golf is all about. Anyway, so you could quickly see how I can change information very, very quickly with just a couple clicks of the mouse. So I'm going to show you another spreadsheet, and this one is mostly text, but this is a bunch of books that I have read. And right now you can see by this little filter here, and it has a little up arrow, that this is sorted by the title name. Well, I really don't like looking at it that way. I want to see all my authors together. So again, I'm going to go to sort, and I'm going to go to custom sort, and this time I'm going to add levels. So the first one I want to do is I want to do it by author. I'm going to add a level. I'm going to then do it by series. I'm going to add another level. Then I'm going to do it by number. So if these are a series, it's going to sort by the number in that series. And my final level is going to sort it by title. So I'm going to click down and hit title. So I'm going to hit OK. So now you can quickly see this is sorted by author. Excuse me, if there are any, like here, I've got the series, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a different series. I haven't even read that one, but I've got one of them of that series. So you can see how that quickly works. If I want to find a certain author very quickly, say I want to look at James somebody, so I'll just say James, I know Patterson is the one I wanted, so I can click that. I could type in a P, or I can just click James Patterson. Now I can quickly see all his information. He has a lot of books that I've read. I love this author. He's a great author. If you haven't read any of his, I highly recommend you go read some. So all of the ones at the top were different series, but then down at the bottom, these are just in alphabetical order by the names of the book, because they don't have a series or a number, but they're still in order by his name. So it makes manipulating your data and finding your data very quickly to use a custom sort. And it is one of my absolute favorite tools in Excel. So when somebody sends me a table, basically they're doing this in Word, but they put it in a table, kind of looks like Excel, but it's not quite as usable. So if it makes sense to find out how you can do more information in Excel and really be able to use Excel to the fullest, I would love to talk to you and do a business analysis on your business. It's a free 15-minute call where we talk and see if there's a way that we could work together to help you excel your business. That's what I love doing, is teaching Excel and helping you be better at what you do, because I know it's not the paperwork of your business. So again, if it makes sense, check out the bit.ly link. That will take you directly to my calendar to schedule your free 15-minute call. So happy excelling. Go out and do some custom sorting and see how it can help you in your business. Thank you.